So this is our trend for the day on our New Zealand dollar JPY. So first thing first, we need to know the trend. And as you can see on our New Zealand dollar JPY, we are in an uptrend move. So make sure you subscribe if you've not done that, so that once we drop an update next, you will not miss out on the next update. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So this is our first eye on our New Zealand dollar JPY. Then market was able to give us a pullback, which is an higher low. Then we had this movement, which is higher high and an higher low. Market was able to push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market price was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. So market was again push up again, which is a new higher high. So we should be expecting anytime soon that all the New Zealand dollar JPY will give us an higher low. So an higher low is what we should be expecting anytime soon. Now this is a massive movement that dollar JPY gave us, which took out this previous level, which is a previous resistance level zone. This was a previous resistance zone. The market's giving us a breakout. So we should be expecting market to pull back to come test this level. So guys, a bearish move, what you should be expecting to come test this level. Once market can give you a pullback to come test this resistance level, then you can now expect another push up, which will eventually give us a bullish move. So above all, in our long-term movement on New Zealand dollar JPY, we are in an uptrend move. So more updates will be covered on this for you guys. So just stay updated in order for you not to miss out on the update. So click on the subscribe button so you will not miss out on the update. So above all, New Zealand dollar JPY still in an uptrend move.